What's the song? The perfect CoCo Cay song? Sing it.
I don't remember. I wish I remembered. It was.
That song had like 3 words.
A perfect day.
Oh yeah. At CoCo Cay.
I actually think they're probably gonna perform that song while we're here. Alright guys, so the second destination on our cruise was to CoCo Cay, which is still in the Bahamas, but it's Royal Caribbean's private island. And it was really cool because this island was actually just renovated to make it, I guess, more like fun, and we had so much fun. So when you walk on the island, you have the junket dancers, and they're there dancing, and they take pictures, and they're whining, and they're doing their thing, and they look super cute in their costumes, so I love that. Then we hopped on a tram, and we kind of got a little tour of the island while we were on our way to our beach spot. And it was really cool. We got to see like the giant helium balloon. We got to see the water slides, which we didn't pay for. Kind of see where the residents of the island were living, which I'm assuming are just like the Royal Caribbean workers. Hello friends. My hair is gone, but that's okay. We are going on reef snorkeling and sandbar getaway. It's gonna be really fun, hopefully. Your girl's not the best swimmer, but it's okay. Can't wait to show you guys the adventure. How about you hop on there and let us know?
Of light jackets available, so if you need them, take them. Don't play no hero out here. I'm the gangster on the boat, and not because I'm the captain. It's just because I don't need nothing. I open my eyes underwater. I can see the fish is quite fine. I know that's bragging, but that's just straight up gangster, guys.
So this is the part of the vlog where we went snorkeling, and guys, it was so fun. Let me tell you this, I am not a good swimmer, so I was really scared. But after, they pushed me out there and helped me out a little bit, I had the time of my life. Just being able to see like nature up close, being in the water, seeing school of fish, seeing like the bottom of the ocean floor. It was just an amazing experience. And I didn't get any footage of it, but enjoy a picture of me and Jessica. Guys, we had our first snorkeling adventure. How was it?
10 out of 10.
It was really fun.
Is the camera upside down?
Yes.
You funny. You're funny. Yeah.
No, I'm over there eating. Look, there is one. Jessica, how was your experience?
Awesome. My hair.
Oh, yeah, same. Justin, how was your experience?
Good. I saw a turtle and a barracuda.
Rhea, how was your experience?
Great.
They probably wouldn't even be able to hear us. I don't think about it. Oh, well, good. And then after we went snorkeling, they actually took us to this really shadow and clear part in the Bahamas where we were able to like just chill. Like people had their drinks, we had floaties, and we were just out there chilling, taking pictures, and it was cool. After we had a lot of fun snorkeling, went and we had lunch. Unfortunately, my dumb self did not get any footage of our lunch, but we had barbecue food and it was amazing. But after that, we kind of headed off the island and we had a really great time. It literally was a perfect day at CoCo Cay, and I don't think I would have changed anything, maybe except for the fact that Justin lost his drone, but you know what, I'll let him tell that story. When we got back on the boat, we all took naps and then we met up for dinner, and dinner was really fun in the main dining room because they surprised us with the Congo line and the Macarena.
You were so aggressive.
It's serious. Hey, Macarena. Shake them hips, Justin. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I have a couple more spring break videos coming out, and then we're going to focus on this quarantine. So don't forget about your girl, Arion Zhane's World. Thanks for watching. Bye.